Hello friends, in this series of human faces, in today's episode we will draw an old woman. This video is basically meant for beginner and student. The basic proportion will remain the same as shown in the first video of this series. I have shared the link in the description and in the I button. Please watch that video to understand the basic technique. The eyes of the old person will be slightly smaller than the younger people. Add some wrinkles around the eyes. Add some more wrinkles under the eyes and around the nose and on the cheeks. Draw an ear like this. Eyebrow should be slightly thin. The skin of old face will not be smooth. It will be sagging. The shoulders would be drooping. Add a pair of earrings. Erase all the extra lines. Now start coloring the face with flesh tint. And use the brown color to show the depth. Fold the tissue like this and blend the color. I am using brown color pencil for detailing. Leave white spot on the pupil. Don't make the eyebrow too dark. We will use shades of grey for the hair. give color of your choice to clothes. I am adding one more layer for skin. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.